Welcome guys, so today I'm with the UGreen WS100 earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your iPhone. Okay, so at the first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. On the back you can find the USB-C cable, the USB-C input for USB-C cable. And you have to just put them to the case and let them charge. And the next step, we have to take them out of the case and then click and hold both touch control panels like that until one of this indicator starts blinking white and blue like that quickly. It means that right now they are in the pairing mode. So we can finally go for the settings on our iPhone, go for the Bluetooth settings, enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher and select UGreen WS100. In my case they are named HiTune, but that's the WS100 version. And as you can see, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.